Hello everyone, I'm Steve Malloy, President of the Senoia Area Historical Society. With me is Skip King, a fellow board member and project manager for our Carmichael Initiative. We want to take a minute and thank everybody for their support and give some detail on what exactly happened with our renovation of the Historical Society's museum. The building that houses our Historical Society is known as the Carmichael House. It was built in 1870s by Mr. McKnight here in Senoia. In 1900, the Carmichael family purchased it for $1,500, and the Historical Society purchased the building in 1990 to hold our offices and museum. But to explain more about what happened with the renovation project, I'd like to introduce our project manager, Skip King.
Thank you, Steve. Hello, everyone, and thank you for your interest in the Senoia Area Historical Society. Steve and I and the board for 2023 took on the project of a complete restoration of the building. Stewardship is part of our mission statement, and part of that stewardship really led us to a very committed project to restore this beautiful home. The windows, all the bases of the windows had rotted out, the door jambs had rotted out, the siding was, it had obviously been on the house for a very long time. These beautiful pickets here in the front of the house had all rotted. Bottom line is, it was really time to do a very thorough restoration. As we went into the project, it actually got a little worse before it got better. We opened up the floors in the back of the home. Most of the floor joists had either rotted or the termites had removed them over the years. So once we got into it, we realized that it was going to be a real project. But nonetheless, we finished a little late. We missed our schedule. We did come in under budget, however, and we welcome you to take this tour with us as we share a little bit more about the Carmichael Initiative.
Said that you've been hurt one too many times before. Ended up staring in the bathroom mirror, crying on your bedroom floor. Baby, you can take my word, you haven't gotta hurt no more. Things about to get much better. I wanna make this forever. I wanna make this forever. Said that you felt lost 100 times before, going in circles on a one-way street, running till your feet get sore. But I guess you haven't heard, you ain't got around no more. Things about to get much better, so I wanna make this forever. 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 I wanna make this. Said that you felt lost 100 times before, going in circles on a one-way street, running till your feet get sore. But I guess you haven't heard, you ain't got around no more. Things about to get much better, so I wanna make this forever. 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 I wanna make this Said that you felt lost 100 times before, going in circles on a one-way street.
Okay, thank you for your attention. We hope you enjoyed this summary of the renovation of the Carmichael House. We finished a little over time, but under budget. On behalf of Skip King and myself and the board, We'd like to thank all of our sponsors and our membership support for this incredible renovation. The gratitude is beyond words. We're hopeful that this building can withstand another 100 years, and going forward, we look forward to seeing you at the museum.
I wanna make this right.